Hello everyone and welcome to another R&R Partners video. Today we are going to discuss the procedure of how you can appeal a return decision. If you are new to the channel and you're interested in either opening a Romanian company or immigrating to Romania, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel as we post new and updated content here, so you'll be up to date with everything that happens in the Romanian legislation system. So, if you obtained a return decision from the Romanian authorities, usually that means that either your visa expired and you did not get a residency permit, or you do not fulfill the conditions to get a new residency permit, or you maybe fail to submit on time to get your residency permit. If the Romanian Immigration Authority concludes that your stay in Romania is illegal, or you missed the filing for your new residency permit, they are obliged, according to the law, to issue a return decision through which you will be given a set amount of time to leave the Romanian soil and go back to the country of origin. In the return decision, you will also find the decision, what led to giving the return decision, what happened to your stay, what you missed doing, and why they were forced to give you a return decision. And also the immigration authority can set a ban for you to enter the Schengen area. Also, do note that if you do not leave the country within the set time frame, you can be deported by the Romanian immigration authorities. If you are in this situation or one of the next ones that I am going to present, please note that you can always book a consultation with us and we can give you tailored advice specifically to your case, or even assist you throughout the procedure so you'll not have any issues with the Romanian immigration authorities. The return decision usually is appealed at the Court of Appeal that your county is allocated to, and you have 10 days to appeal the decision. If you fail to submit the petition within this time frame of 10 days, the Court of Appeal usually rejects the appeal as it is a late filing. Moreover, if you decide to go to court, always take into consideration that this filing that you do in front of the courts, even if it's a late filing, it suspends the obligations that are set in the return decision. So one of the things that you must take into consideration is that you can also gain some rights even though it can be rejected as a late submission. So until the court decides if it's a proper late submission or not, you can legally stay in Romania until the final decision is awarded. In front of the court, you'll need to present your case and to state why you consider the return decision to lack grounds. There are some tactics that usually are well known in the courts, and they can lead to the annulment of the decision. As a couple of examples that come to my mind at the moment would be in case you've done the online submission on time and the immigration authority has such a long backlog that they appointed your physical submission at the counter very late, and it was past due the 30 days that you are legally obliged to submit the petition. Another way which may lead to the annulment of the decision would be if you make additional follow-ups to the immigration authorities. They usually don't answer to your petitions. However, they rule and they issue the return decision without inviting you to have a conversation with them. Another way of getting a return decision would be a misinterpretation by the immigration authority of the facts and what it was in your file and what was really happening. For example, at the moment we are seeing many return decisions issued for persons who are not actually living at the stated address that is mentioned in their petition. If you found this content useful, please consider giving it a like down below, as it really helps our channel out, but you will also be other expats that are searching for more information regarding the immigration authority and how to handle their cases. Lastly, do note that if you want to appeal a return decision, the most important part to do in those 10 days that you have in order to appeal the decision would be to find witnesses, to find evidence that your case was wrongfully judged by the immigration authority and you fulfilled all the legal conditions that were foreseeable for you in order to extend your stay and to have a legal stay in Romania. So thank you for watching, and until the next time, you can also follow us on Facebook or Instagram, as we post frequently there and you can be up to date with our activity. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye!